Hello everyone, here I am back with my bubbles. This time I am bubbling directly onto the canvas. In a previous video I created collage papers and you can see some of them stuck on these paintings. There's another two that you're going to see after, but these are the beginnings of paintings and I'm building up the layers. Got a bit obsessed with these bubble marks as they're going to be kind of watery, abstract seascapes. So this type of mark making with the bubbles is suiting my process at the moment. This is the first time I've tried doing the bubbles directly onto the canvas and I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but what I can say is they seem to be taking a really long time to dry. On the paper, I suppose the paint and water washing up liquid mixture gets soaked up really quickly, but on the canvas, well, I suppose because I've already got paint on there, it seemed to take a very long time to dry. You can see them maybe popping, but quite slowly. So I decided to put some bubbles directly onto the collage papers that are already there and on the canvas at the same time to kind of do a comparison. And well, it's all about experimenting, testing out and seeing what happens. But you can see already I'm getting some nice effects. So here is the second canvas that I started. It's 3 in all. And well, basically trying out the same method, same technique. And well, I just want to get some more of that bubble effect in my paintings as it suits the theme. And then I will go in with another layer of something else, like I usually do in my mixed media process. Creating those layers of memory, experience, experiment, until I build up into a finished painting. And I like to get all these feelings and emotions, thinking back to when I was at the place. In my new mixed media course, we work in this way, relating things back to memory and the past to bring it to the present, experimenting with different techniques and looking at colour and contrasts, composition, all by using our intuition and trusting the process. And well, it's already getting some good feedback, so if you fancy trying out my new course, then I will put a link below just to get some information of when I will be running the course again and more details about what it entails. Here I've swapped over to the third canvas, and this is my favourite up to now. Things may change, like they often do, but so far I'm really liking this one. And these new marks will help me decide what to do next. I like to look at a painting as a conversation. It speaks to me and Sometimes my actions help me decide my next moves. Like I said, my process is very intuitive. So a short video today, quick tips and techniques for you to try out. And if you want to continue watching how these paintings progress, then don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know if you tried this out. So I'm quite pleased with these new marks that I'm getting on these paintings. I'm going to continue experimenting. Not sure what I'll come up with next, but thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Au revoir.